Hello there. I'm going to take you on a tour of a house that we renovated down in Southwest Ranches. The house is a large place, large grounds, and the photo that you're looking at is the finished photo. And on the next page, we're going to show you the before image. I wish I kept a lot more or took a lot more photos of the before because the place looked like a haunted house. There was a guard shack with like dummies in it and weird racquetball courts and tennis courts and just really old looking, really large pool. It's there was a story in there, but I just never heard it. My name is Lou St. George, and we're going to take you on a walk through the inside of this place. Let's make believe we're driving up our beautiful travertine driveway and to our 4-car garage, and then we came in the back door. And we see a beautiful living room, and then we'll take a little stroll over to the kitchen. Huge kitchen. I think it's huge and very functional. And then we'll just take a look over here at the family room, living room. I forget what you call what. And then about face over to the dining room. This is the entrance area to this grand estate where you can meet your guests, and you can decide if you want to take these wonderful quartz stairs up to the loft, or you can turn around and hit this button where the red arrow is and take the elevator up to the loft. Now we'll step into this spacious master bedroom with a wonderful view of the backyard and its very own mimosa area. And then we'll take a walk into the bathroom. You can see the vanities. Him is the small one, obviously. Her is the nice one to sit down and put on your powder and whatnot in a big tub, and a pretty nice size shower as well. This fine estate has 5 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms, and you'll find 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 bedrooms downstairs, and also a really nice laundry room. This is the exterior that we're going to show you in progress. We started out with, as I said before, it looked like a haunted house. We'd already cleaned it up a bit at this point, got rid of the haunted landscaping and the concrete lions and the faux guards and a lot of things. And we put new windows in the building. And then you're going to see some structural and cosmetic issues that we corrected. And then we stuccoed the full exterior over, so it looked really nice, slick finish stucco. And you'll see the driveway in progress. So here is the driveway in progress, and the backstory is this is silver travertine. It's a very beautiful stone, as you can see. So we went to the importers and we looked at all the different stones and sat there and basically handpicked the pallets that looked the best. And then when we received it, we made sure we had people there to receive it. And it actually wasn't correct. It was the wrong stuff. So we had to send it back. And then they sent the correct stuff. And you look at that and make sure nothing's cracked. So to have a really gorgeous driveway like this, you have to manage this heavily from the beginning to the end. This is the back of the original unrestored house. And we ripped out a really large old crazy pool house and moved up much closer to the house. So you'll see the pool in progress, the pool deck in progress. I think it's pay attention to that stone. It's actually porcelain, but it really looks great. This is the interior in progress. We had to do not a ton of demo, but quite a bit, and reframe to make the place flow a little better, reframe for soffits, bathrooms, various other things. And then you'll see the tile in progress, the kitchen in progress. This had a like a half-round staircase coming down. It was pretty cool. It went with the haunted theme, but we decided to put something more modern in here, and you'll see the great stainless rails, quartz treads, and you'll get to see a bit of the bathroom in progress. The backstory on this project is very interesting, but I can't share all of it with you. What I will tell you is this house was purchased to restore and to sell. And it came out really good because it sold to the first person for full price. And I mean, you know, you could tell by looking at it, not everything is going to be your taste or the way you would have done it, but the owner, the first owner and the second owner were very happy with the way everything went. And it took a while to do all this work, but I used to sit around, well, not sit around lazy, but take a break and enjoy the pond, watching the turtles and then the cows next door. So it was great being out there. And that's my story. Contact us if you need a general contractor who will take care of you and help you with the design and the execution of this whole thing.